Let's start using Supabase in practice now by signing up for your Supabase account and by creating your very first database. So Supabase is a service that we need to sign up for. And so let's start by going to the Supabase website, by searching for Supabase, and then it's going to be this first result at supabase.com. Now, before we sign up for this product, I want to tell you that it is completely free for small hobby projects like the one that we are going to build now. So no need at all to spend any money on this. Okay? So to sign up for your account, just click here on Start New Project. Then this will ask you to sign in, but since you don't have an account yet, you move down here to Don't Have an Account and then Sign Up Now. Now you probably don't have a GitHub account, and so you just sign up here using email and passwords, and then you have to confirm your email address in your email. So go ahead and do that now, and I will wait here, and once you're ready, just come back to the video. Okay, so once you signed up for Supabase, you will find a screen like this, except for these projects that I already have. So to create a new database, you just click here on New Project, and then your name's organization here. So just click that, and then we create our first project, which will contain our first database. So just call your project Today I Learned, and all with dashed. So Today I Learned, and I call it -2, because of course I already have one Today I Learned, but you don't need the -2. Then here you need a database password. So you can just click here on Generate a Password, then you can copy it and paste it somewhere secure. So I'm not doing that now so that you don't see this password. Okay, then here we set up the region, which is basically where your server will be located. So usually what we choose here is a server as close as possible to wherever our main users will be located. But for us, it doesn't really matter here. Well, since I'm in the EU, I will just choose this one in Germany. And as I was saying before, we don't need to pay anything, so we can just use this free plan. Now, I cannot create a new project yet, and I guess it's because this password is not strong enough. So if I click here, Generate Password again, then that's better. So I copy it again and will paste it somewhere offsite, so off the video. And so now, since this button is green, we can click it, create our new project. And as you will see, this will take a little bit of time. So now it's telling us that it's setting up the project, and this is probably taking a couple of minutes. So once that's done, I will meet you back here. Okay, so my project is all set up. For some reason, I got this warning here, this issue loading the details of the project. But that's not really a problem. I can just try to reload, but we don't need those details yet anyway. So that's really not a problem. So let's explore a little bit what we have here. So we have a table editor where we can basically add new tables to our database. And then we have really a bunch of other things. So we have a lot of different functionalities for the database. We can add authentication. So Supabase allows us to automatically add users to a database and allows them to sign up with different services, even like Google and stuff like that. Here we have the API documentation that I was talking about in the last lecture, so that Supabase automatically creates an API for us. And yeah, so you can explore this a little bit on your own. I guess it looks a little bit intimidating probably, but that's not a big deal. All we really need to do here is very simple stuff. And so actually in the next video, we will start creating our new table. So let's take a quick break and I'll see you in a minute.